Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
How much? Paving only 300 tons.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch.
It is quite hectic. It's not on the highway like I thought it was gonna be.
Ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock. Electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
Right here! You're blind! Right here! Oh my God! Come right here, bro! Telling people where to go, and they want to go a different way. It's like, are you serious? Like, you can't go that way. You don't want to go that way. Now we end the day. Work today is done. Only did one hot mix. Did 2 millings. The next time.